Hello, good morning. Please ignore my roosters and probably my dog at this point. Here is my Skeinz haul. Now, Skeinz just had a mega epic sale. Did I need to buy yarn? Maybe I needed to buy yarn. I did need this first bit. Now, when I made the star crochet blanket, I used Cascade Merino, but I didn't want to buy more of it because it went back up to full price, which was $20 a skein. However, now on the epic sale, it came down to like $7.95 a skein. So under half price. That meant that I changed my mind. I was going to use the snug to make the book vest, but then I looked at the Cascade Merino range and figured this is the colour of the penguin books. I'm golden. We're doing it in Cascade Merino. I love Cascade Merino. I've used it. This is persimmon, fenugreek, and jet, if there's any left over and anyone's wanting. I've got 3 of the orange, 2 of the tan, and 2 of the jet. And why did I get so many? Because it was really cheap, all right? What else did I get? Now, everything else here, I think, was about $3 a ball, either $2.95 or $3.95 a ball. So to start with, I got this here. This is the Skeinz Nylon Effect yarn. So it's a merino blend. I think if I was reading it, if I can remember correctly. Yeah, it's merino nylon. So I figured this is going to be nice for socks. This one here is Wine Trail with a nylon... Percy the rooster. Honestly, if it's not Rocky, it's Percy. We did just get an extra rooster, so the two of them like... playing off each other. So this is going to be for the mother-in-law's Mother's Day socks, this particular colour. And then I got this one. This one is New Mexico. That's a lot brighter than I thought it was going to be, but it's still very cool. And the last one I got in that range was Icebreaker. Now I got Icebreaker because of the name. It's a good enough reason, all right? And then, should I get one more set of them? Maybe I did. Maybe I did. Is this? No, this is Wool Effect. So this one here is not the same as this one, but it's a sunset print. I just thought it was pretty. So I've got 8 balls. They're 50-gram balls each. And I've got 8 balls of those. They're all 4-ply, but they're quite a nice thick 4-ply. And they're going to be for making socks. Because as we all know, I didn't have enough sock yarn. I definitely had enough sock yarn. And then I got this one here, which is not a sock yarn. This is just straight merino. It's Orb Merino. I really like working with Orb Merino. I've got this one here in Blake, this one in Mist, this one in Glacier, and a bonus one in Blake. Because my plan with this one, which is a DK weight, I think. Yes, this one's a DK weight. Years ago, I made the Team Seas hat with waves on it. And what I've been wanting to do is an ocean to mountaintop sock. So what I figure is ocean, mountain, sky. And because there's more ocean, that's my plan. We'll see how that one works out. I just really like the orb, and the orb had the right colours. So is this a massive haul? No. Is it a haul that I need? Also no. But I did finish knitting a vest just earlier, and the vest used up 10 balls of yarn. And I was like, it's fine. I'm just going to buy a couple of balls of yarn. And that'll make up for the fact that I've just finished 10 balls of yarn. No, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Cascade Merino, 8 of the Nylon Effect, and 4 of the Orb Merino. Well, as long as I lean into the fact that I did finish this jersey, and I did finish the vest, and I'm nearly finished the Lily crochet top, and I'm working on another pair of socks, so There's definitely a net gain in yarn. There was not meant to be a net gain. There was meant to be a net loss. That is the sound of Percy judging me for purchasing more yarn. In the meantime, I will now go and start balling some of this up, potentially, and putting this in a space and heading off to work rather than playing with yarn. I'll catch you later. Bye.